I'm Alexia Nguyen.
And I'm Lana Nguyen, and welcome to our latest listing at 2107 Monroe Street in Santa Clara.
This is a 3-bed, 1-bath, almost 1,000 square feet.
And it's fully remodeled. Welcome and take a look inside.
So my favorite part in this whole house is the living room. It got recessed lighting, plenty of light through the dual pane windows, and new texture paintings. Look at this amazing kitchen, which features custom granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and brand new cabinets.
A lot of the rooms have been upgraded with either recessed lighting, a skylight, all has laminate flooring, and dual pane windows.
We have mirror closet in this bedroom and 3-tone painting, baseboard, and plenty of lights.
The property has been recently upgraded with new bathrooms, new laminate floor, and new texture and baseboards.
All the rooms feature networking and a central Category 5 wiring system.
Now I'm here in the backyard. As you can see, you've got a relatively flat lot, so you can expand this space into an additional bathroom and bedroom, making it a 4-2. And you've also got a mature landscaping, including numerous cypress and evergreen trees, additionally fruit trees, and you've got a extremely large air conditioning system which supports up to a 1,200 square foot house. We're here at Rotary Park, which is only half a mile away from the property. As you can see, it has numerous playgrounds for the kids, as well as picnic and barbecue areas. Now right next to the park is the Triton Museum of Art. This is a free art gallery which features 4 art exhibits, numerous sculptures, and some manicured gardens. Now the property gets Bookshire Middle School, which has an 804 API score and is one of the better schools in the Santa Clara area. Now I'm in front of Santa Clara High School. This is the 6th oldest school in the state of California and features coeducational programs. And one of my personal favorites is it's home of the Bruins.
The property is only 10 minutes away from California's Great America Theme Park. Great America Theme Park is known in the Bay Area for its attractions, including rides and holiday themes, including Halloween Haunt and Winterfest.
The property is extremely close to the 49ers Levi Stadium. The property is close to high-tech employers such as Intel, Nvidia, and much more.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.